Let's play. Place a name. Exercise 12. Combine the letters to form new words. ఇక్కడ ఉండేటువంటి ఈ లెటర్స్ను జాయిన్ చేసి ఒక వర్డ్గా తయారు చేయాలి. మేక్ వర్డ్స్ దిస్ లెటర్స్. బీడ్ బెడ్, bed bed, fed fed, red red, next cage keg, easy keg, leg leg, peasy peg, next D and N, D and N, MEN men, MEN men, JDN Jen, JDN Jen, next GET get, GET get, MET met, YET yet, YET yet. These are words with letters. Next exercise. Write the names of the fixtures from the help box. Help box, బాక్స్లో ఉండేటువంటి చోట ఆ నేమ్స్ ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. బెల్, BLL bell, PEN pen, NET net, BED bed, LEG leg, TEN ten, EGG egg, WLL well. These are words. Write in the boxes. This one bed, BED bed, BED bed. NET net, NET net, PEN pen, PEN pen, BLL bell, BLL bell, LEG leg, LEG leg, TEN ten, EGG egg, WELL well. Next Copy the following. Write sentences into lines. 4 lines are you. These are some up, some down, right. Already right here. I spin like. I spin like a top. I spin like a top. T-O-P, top. I. 4 lines. S middle, P down. I middle, N middle, L up, I up, K up, E middle, A middle, T up, right down, O middle, 2 lines middle, P down, middle and down. Write same here. I spin, S-P-I-N, spin like, L-I-K-E, like a top. T-O-P, top. I spin like a top. I dance like a peacock. I like. I dance. D-A-N-C, I dance like a peacock. P-A-C-O-C-K, K up, right down. I dance like a peacock. I jump like a frog. I 2 lines only. 3 lines. I jump, J-U-M-P, jump. I jump like a frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Frog, or only 2 lines middle. I sing like a cuckoo. I sing like a cuckoo. C-U-C-K, up, right down, and middle. O, cuckoo. I sing like a cuckoo. Say, right down. Next, any sentence. I ran like a tiger. G-O. I ran like a tiger. I ran like a tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Same right in this page. I like I ran like L-I-K-E like a tiger. T-I-G-E-R, like a tiger. Write this page all. Same sentence. Next. I cook. C-O-O-K, cook. I cook. I cook like my mother. T-H-E-R. Like my mother. Any sentence right here. I cook. C-O-O-K, cook. Like my mother. By my mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. My mother. I cook. C-O-O-K, cook. Like my mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, my mother. Write down same sentences in this page. Next one. School and play. Class 2 English. Match the pictures with their names. These are figures, these are words. Pencil, football, chair, carom, blackboard, hockey. Pencil, chair, chair, blackboard, carom, football, hockey, yes, right over. Next, identify and write the vowels in the given words. A, E, I, O, U. Words are, letters are vowel. O, U, I, E are vowels. Morning. O, I, E, teacher, E, A, E. Next, hello, E, O. So these are vowels letters. Next, fill in the blanks with an appropriate article a or an. A book, an umbrella, an egg, an axe, a tree. What is this? Answer the following question. What is this? This is a bag. B-A-G, bag. What is this? This is a dog. D-O-G, dog. Fill in the blanks with can or cannot. I can play cricket. I cannot play cricket. I can comb my hair. I can wash my clothes. Next, find and join the words that ends with same sound. Same sound, bat, cat, bend, den, same sound. Dim, bus, these are not same sound. These are bend, den, same sound. Next exercise. May I help you? Write the missing letters of the words with the help of pictures. Write here missing letters. What is this? This is a bus. B-U-S, bus spelling. Who is he? Old man. O-L-D-M-A-N. Old man. What is this? This is a car. C or car. Yeah. What is this? This is a road. R-O-A-D, road. What is this? This is a school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Next, write sentence with it by using the words in the box. One is done for you. It is a tree. It at the same sentence. Only it. Add this sentence. It is a tree. It is a tap. It is a tap. It is a pig. It is a pig. It is a shop. It is a shop. S-H-O-P, shop. It is a chair. It is a chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. It is a chair. It is a bottle. It is a fan. F-A-N, fan. It is a bottle. It is a bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. It is a clock. It is a clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. It is a store. It is a store. S-T-A-R, store. It is an orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Vowel sound. These are so and write down. These are sentences. Over.